They will explore AI's impact on telco business value, 5G advanced, and generative AI use cases.
Now, Munir, maybe you can tell us, as you're a specialist, you're in a niche of service assurance with Mycom. What can you tell us about the maturity level of telcos to reach this graal of autonomous network? And maybe a word on intent-based orchestration, as we talked about it.
Sure. I think a lot has been said by my colleagues on the panel on both AI and autonomous networks. But I'd like to bring it back to what we are trying to achieve from all of this, right? So there is, I think, an acronym that hasn't been mentioned on this panel, which is 5G. 5G slicing, anyone in the room? I think 2 years ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, that was 3 years ago, right? We were all talking about 5G slicing, dynamic slicing, delivering real-time, on-demand slices to industry verticals, selling SLAs and quality of service and making ton of money, right? And not losing the revenue opportunity from the enterprise sector, which today makes up less than 20% of the telco revenues. Where are we with all of that? Well, being, as you say, in the network and data observability, analytics, and assurance with many of the telcos, what I can see, maximum 2 slices. 3 slices, 1 slice, static, not monetized. Why is that? What's the key inhibitor to that, or the key challenge? Is the fact that it's the utter complexity of the operations to deliver these kind of slicing, real-time, on-demand. Now the question is then, how do I resolve that? What's the way to resolve? Well, it comes with this journey of autonomous networks. This is, in my view, it gives a reason, a raison d'être for the autonomous networks. And autonomous networks is a journey, as you said. Today, most of the customers and partners we work with are somewhere between 2.5, 2.8, 2.6. Some are around that. Everyone aiming to go to 3 and beyond that, to go to level 4, well, the network is supposed to start making decisions on its own, right? Yeah. And this is where the generative AI will be so important. Okay. And from there, the ultimate goal of that journey in autonomous network level 5 is where you start really to go with an intent, with a business intent, i.e., you express a customer, a tenant will express a business intent, which is what you need in natural language, and then you will have generative AI translating that into really technical metrics and objectives, etc., and delivering the service. And that's where the frontier is, and this is where generative AI will become absolutely essential. So I think, and to conclude, we're working on that journey with our customers, and as I mentioned, they are at different levels, but a measure of success is whether we as an industry will make the 5G slicing, for example, a reality using AI.
Yeah. What would you conclude about AI?
Well, I conclude that 40 minutes ago I spoke about slicing, and I mentioned that this was a big opportunity for the industry, 5G, how to better monetize 5G using AI, how AI will enable to unlock that opportunity. The second thing, and I think we spoke a lot about it, is data. Today, data is a gold mine that is untapped, largely untapped. Today, our European customers, Vodafone, Telefonica, Deutsche Telekom, are more into network as a service model. They want to expose their network assets, they want to expose their data, and let others, like app developers and the ecosystem at large, consume it. We are working with our customers today. We are collecting up to 100 billion data records per hour from some of our largest customers, cleaning it, normalizing it, correlating that data. And then when you plug generative AI on top, the possibilities are limitless. We talk to your network this morning, and then from there, imagine you expose this to your business partners in this natural language, and you create value from this data. There is massive untapped opportunity. It's available here and now. We can start today with Gen AI. and it's a call for action for our industry to get going.
Thank you very much all.
Thank you. Thank you to you all.